Hi, good day. I'm Kyla Manahan, your sales executive here at Hyundai Baliwag, and we welcome you our unit Santa Fe Hybrid. As you can see in the front, we have our daytime running lights, LED, our fog lamps, LED, and our honeycomb parametric design, and our aerodynamic design for our sleek look, and 360 camera all over the unit, and our sensors with front and rear collision avoidance assist. Here at our engine bay, you can see our 6-speed AD with the 5,600 maximum output and 1,000 to 4,100 maximum torque. As you can see, we have a hydraulic hood for easy access to our engine bay. For our wheels, we have a 20-inch alloy wheels with a suspension of multi-link and a ground clearance of 1,780. For our side mirror, each side mirror has a 360 camera equipped with blind spot assist, and for our main driver's door, we have a keyless entry. For our rear tailgate, we have an LED rear fog lamps, rear spoilers, and a front and back collision avoidance assist with a smart automatic tailgate. For more luggage space, you can easily put this down. For your camping needs, you can easily push this button. For our tailgate, we have a hydraulic tailgate and automatic tailgate. For our main interior, we have a full leather interior. And for our driver's seat, we have our main controls for all windows and 2 options for our front and passenger seats. For our seats, we have all leather seats and all automatic for driver and passenger, and it's 6 seating capacity. For our steering wheel, it's also made of leather with tilt and telescopic. And for our shifting gear, we have a shift-by-wire here on the side. For our steering wheel, you can see we have our volumes, lane keeping assist, modes, and you can also answer your phone via your steering wheel. Beside our driver's seat, we have 2 wireless charging pads. And here you can see our driving mode, which is we have 4 terrains for the snow, mud, and slippery terrains. And here you can see our AC and our armrests, which can be convertible to our compartments. For our sunroof, we have a panoramic sunroof that can be opened rear and back sunroof. We have a 12-inch infotainment where you can control your music and see our hybrid system. And you can connect your phone. For our Hyundai Santa Fe, price starts at $3,330,000, and for our promo in-house down payment is $400,000. For the inclusion, we have the Laus Group Cares, 24/7 roadside assistant with free towing up to $32,500. For inquiries, you can message us or call us at 0918-542-409 or visit our Facebook page at Hyundai Baliwag. Or you can visit us at our showroom at Hyundai Baliwag, Pagala, Baliwag, Bulacan. Here at Hyundai, innovate every day.